My name is Suhail bin Muhammad Kamaruddin. I'm an entrepreneur. And then I have a questions about we talk about terrorism. As we know, actually, so many countries, they have a special budget for counter-terrorism or anti-terrorism. But then my question is, what happened to our Muslim country, Muslim brothers in other country? It look like no solution or no action plan by the people, by the brothers of Muslim. What we can do, what we should do to our Muslim brothers, to our Muslim country who have been attacked by the other people, by the other country. Then I want to ask you about...
One question, and there are many people waiting in the queue.
Not the questions, Doctor.
My question is already wrong. I got your question. I understood your question.
Thank you, Doctor.
Second question, go behind the queue.
Thank you, Doctor.
After everyone finishes, we'll come to it, inshallah. The brother asked a very good question. He's saying that what about the terrorism that is going on and the counter-terrorism in the Muslim countries? We find that many people are being killed. What is the solution for this problem in the Muslim countries? The solution for the problem in the Muslim countries regarding terrorism is, it is a glorious Quran. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Imran, chapter number 3, verse number 103. Allah says, وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Hold to the rope of Allah strongly and be not divided. What's happening? Our enemies are dividing us Muslims. And when Muslims get divided, the enemies get strong. I'll give you a few examples. We can give a lecture on this, but this is the question answer time. Our enemy of Islam, one of the greatest enemy, it is USA. What they do, they let a fight between two Muslim countries, Iraq and Iran. They support one country, other one support the other country. They're selling them arms. Muslims are paying them. Later on, they tell Iraq, you attack Kuwait. Then they tell Kuwait will defend you. They get money from here, they get money from there. Then what they do? Then they say Iraq has weapons of mass destruction. They attack it, they destroy it. If we Muslims are united, this will not happen. Even today now, they are purposely creating rift in Muslim countries. Can't you see it? What's happening in the Gulf country? The Muslim countries are fighting each other. The Muslim parties are fighting each other. If Muslim parties fight amongst each other, the non-Muslim comes to power. Right or wrong? Do you understand? So we are to blame. We are not following Quran. Non-Muslims are not to blame. Follow the Quran. We may disagree with the non-Muslim. We may differ with their views. We may differ with their fiqh, but they are Muslim. You know, at the time of the Sahabas, even when the Sahabas differed, when an outsider came and said, we will help you, they said, you dare interfere with our personal affairs. This is Islam. You know the battle of Jamal between Hazrat Aisha and Hazrat Ali, Raza. When third party interfered, they said, you keep quiet. This is between us. Between us, no problem. But when third party comes, Muslims should unite. You may differ, no problem. You may have different organizations, 10 different Muslim organizations, no problem. 10 different charity organizations, no problem. 10 different political organizations, no problem. When the non-Muslims come to interfere, you should unite. That's what Allah says in the Quran. وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Hold to the rope of Allah strongly and be not divided. This is my message to the Muslim Ummah. Please unite. Divided, we will fall. Today Muslims are 25% of the world population. More than 25% of the countries in the world are Muslim majority countries. 2 billion human beings in the world are Muslims. Why do we divide?